we're aspiring to create history. I think this is the first British Army team that's competed at this level in a competitive vehicle with an actual chance of winning something. Now, when you look across the paddock, you see professional teams, big articulated lorries, and then you look at us. We don't have as much funding. We have great sponsors. We are here and we are racing and we're competitive. An articulated lorry doesn't make you go quick around the track, but the determination and attitude of our team does. To be a part of this team, to be a part of that driving force to get it to the front edge of, the competitiveness of hopefully winning, podiuming, and ultimately winning the championship. It's an absolute privilege. Obviously, there's time sacrifice. All racing is done on the weekends. It's adding a few more events to the calendar. And with our roles within the military, we're already busy. So there are cons. But what are the pros? The pros are, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you come and help out with a Brit car team? You don't have to be the best at everything. You don't have to have the knowledge of absolutely everything to do with that Ginetta G55 behind us. As long as you've got the right attitude and you're willing to learn, and it's about the professional development as well as the personal development. And then as time progresses, as we get quicker out track, as the pit crew start becoming more proficient, well, then you're developing. And I think that aspiration to always personally develop as an individual is very important. And I think everybody on this team identifies that within themselves, and I think that's what makes the team great.